core strength in 5 minutes. Get ready to transform your body and mind. Good day everyone and welcome back to the channel. We're thrilled to have you here. Today we're diving into functional fitness, focusing on building strength and mobility for everyday life. This isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling strong and capable. At the core of functional fitness, literally, is core strength. It's the foundation of all movement. We're talking about the powerhouse muscles in your abdomen, back, and hips that act as stabilizers. These muscles are crucial for almost every activity you do. A strong core means better posture, reduced risk of injury, and improved overall athleticism. It's the secret weapon for peak performance. In just 5 minutes, I'll guide you through 4 killer exercises, burpees, push-ups, planks, and lunges, that will work your entire core. These exercises are designed to challenge you and bring out your inner warrior. These compound movements target multiple muscle groups at once, giving you the biggest bang for your buck. You'll feel the burn and see the results. So, are you ready to unleash your inner warrior? Let's do this. Together we'll conquer this workout and emerge stronger than ever. Alright, let's kick things off with the burpee, the undisputed king of functional exercises. This dynamic move combines strength, cardio, and coordination. Burpees are a full-body workout in one explosive movement, targeting your legs, core, chest, and shoulders. It's a powerhouse exercise that engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. They'll get your heart pumping, torch calories, and build serious strength and endurance. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete, burpees can be scaled to match your fitness level. Here's how to execute a perfect burpee. Start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower yourself into a squat, placing your hands on the floor. Kick your feet back into a plank position, keeping your core engaged. Lower your chest to the floor, as if doing a push-up. Push back up to the plank, jump your feet back to your hands, and explode upwards in a powerful jump. Land softly, and repeat. If you're new to burpees, modify by stepping back into a plank one leg at a time. This reduces the intensity while still providing a great workout. As you get stronger, work up to the full burpee. Consistency is key to mastering this exercise. For an extra challenge, add a push-up at the bottom. This variation increases the difficulty and further engages your upper body. Remember, maintain good form and control throughout the exercise. Proper technique ensures you get the most out of your workout and helps prevent injury. Next up, we're hitting the deck for some classic push-ups. Push-ups are fantastic for building upper body strength, targeting your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. To perform a standard push-up, start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Lower your body towards the floor, keeping your elbows tucked in until your chest touches the ground. Maintain a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core. Push back up to the starting position. Try variations like a wider grip for chest focus or a diamond shape for triceps. Remember, keep those hips in line and that core tight. Now let's hold it right there with planks. Planks are a true core crusher. They target deep stabilizing muscles, improving posture, balance, and overall core strength. To perform a standard plank, start in a push-up position, but lower onto your forearms. Make sure your elbows are directly beneath your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core and glutes. Hold this position while maintaining good form. For obliques, try side planks by rotating to one side, supporting your weight on one forearm. For an added challenge, try weighted planks or shoulder taps. Breathe steadily and maintain a neutral spine. Last but not least, let's work those legs and glutes with some lunges. Lunges are a fantastic exercise that targets multiple muscle groups and enhances overall lower body strength. Lunges build strength in your quads, hamstrings, and glutes while improving balance and coordination. They also help in enhancing your core stability. To perform a basic lunge, start with your feet hip-width apart. This ensures a stable base and proper alignment. Take a big step forward with your right foot and lower your body until your right thigh is parallel to the floor. Make sure your knee does not extend past your toes. Keep your upper body upright and core engaged. This helps in maintaining balance and prevents any strain on your back. Push off your front foot to return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Consistency is key for building strength. Try variations like walking lunges for mobility or reverse lunges for knee ease. These variations can add diversity to your workout routine. For an added challenge, hold dumbbells or a barbell. This increases the intensity and helps in muscle growth. Ensure you step back far enough to create 90-degree angles in both legs. Proper form is crucial to avoid injury and maximize benefits. So, there you have it, guys. 4 incredibly effective exercises for building functional strength and a rock-solid core. Even just a few minutes a day can make a world of difference. Incorporate them into your routine, challenge yourself, and listen to your body. If you enjoyed this workout, give this video a thumbs up, share it, and hit that subscribe button. Now get out there, unleash your inner warrior, and conquer those fitness goals together.